Hey loves, today's video is a fall speed clean to give you some Monday motivation, and you can see all of our fall decorations in the background as I declutter and clean up our house. Both kids have been sick. Landon brought home a cough and a cold from preschool that he shared with Presley. How nice. So I really wanted to do a fast clean while they napped. I had a lot of things to clear off the counters, dishes I had to put away, toys to clean up, and just general straightening. And since I wasn't sure how long the kids were going to sleep for, I was just trying to wipe everything down as quickly as possible. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mom Multi-Surface Spray, and it smells like a spicy floral, and I think it is the perfect summer to fall transitional scent. And I've actually almost finished with this bottle that I'm using. But let me know in the comments as you watch, how are you doing this week? What have you got going on in your world? We've got such a supportive community here, and I would love to hear what's happening with you too. And I'm so excited because today's video is a collaboration with Erica Lee. She's another Ohio girl, and I always get so much cleaning motivation from her videos. When I actually first started to make cleaning videos, I watched hers to get ideas on how to film mine. And she's even the one who told me about Grove Collaborative, where I get all of my cleaning products from. So I know you will be very inspired by her cleaning videos if you're not already subscribed to her. So please make sure when you're done watching my video, you check out hers and subscribe to her channel. And if Erica sent you, please subscribe and introduce yourself in the comments. I'd love to get to know you. When I wipe down my stainless steel appliances, I also use this on my glass and my windows. I love using the Method Mint glass and surface spray. To me, it gets rid of any streaks and fingerprints on my appliances. And for cleaning up my foyer and dining room, I switched to the pumpkin Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. This is one of their other fall scents. There's also an apple cider one, but I love the smell of pumpkin when you first open the door of your home in the fall. So that's why I switched scents up. I also recently changed up our bedding because we upgraded to a king size bed. And if you noticed, if you watched Erica's videos, our bedroom furniture set is the exact same one. We always joke how great minds think alike. But I will link the furniture below because I get asked about it in every video where I show the bedroom set. And I know I'm really jumping ahead of myself here, but last year I did a decorate and clean with me video where I decorated our bedroom for Christmas. And this weekend there was an awesome sale at Pottery Barn, so I snagged a new king size comforter. So I can't wait for you to see our bedroom again for Christmas. But for now, I'm keeping it simple with some gold glittery pumpkins, and I just love using the Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin multi-surface cleaner in here too, because then it just smells like fall. And if you're interested in trying any of the Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, I do have a link for a free gift set in the description box. You just need to order $20 of cleaning supplies from Grove Collaborative. And if you already use Grove, you should still use the link because then you get a free set of the walnut scrubber sponges with your next order. And finally, I'm trying to tackle the floors. I'm so excited old kids took decent naps because you just never know when they have colds. But I switched to the Hurricane 360 mop this summer and I am obsessed with it. I will have it linked down below. And I'm using the method Squirt and Mop in Almond on my floors today. I always get asked what I use on the floors and I love the method Squirt and Mop. pretty good. Yeah. How's your nose doing? You feeling better? Yeah. Whew, that clean was a little bit of a workout. I was busting my butt to try to get as much done as I could until Presley woke up, and I almost finished the downstairs floors. That was like the last thing to do. So maybe when she goes to bed tonight, I can get the floors cleaned up so the house is ready to go for the week. But I hope this provided you some cleaning motivation. If you liked this video, click that thumbs up so that I know. Let me know in the comments too if you have any other cleaning or organization videos you'd like to see, or just any other fall videos or videos in general you'd like to see on my channel. And please make sure you go watch Erica Lee's video after this and subscribe to her if you're not already. She seriously is the reason why I even figured out how to do cleaning videos. Yeah, is that funny? Yeah. You at least have some energy after your nap. So hopefully she will be over her cold and her brother can be over his cough. Ah, the fun of preschool, but it's making my like germaphobe go crazy. I'm probably gonna be cleaning every single day until their colds go away. So who knows, maybe there will be some more not planned cleaning videos for you guys in the works. But I will see you in my next video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, love. Please be careful, okay? Such a big girl. You say night-night. Good job.